Okay, can we move on to chapter 7? What do you guys think? Do you guys have a good grasp for chapter 5? Chapter 5 is really easy. You remember two formulas, right? VLOOKUP and the sum if. Uh-huh. Yeah?
It's not just that. Set up itself is
You mean like to formulate the problem?
formulating the problem is the hardest thing, I think.
Yes. Formulate the problem is the hardest for other part.
Especially specifically in this chapter.
For 5?
Yeah,
Chapter 5?
specifically chapter 5.
Okay.
The early chapters were fairly straightforward to set.
Okay, so I got you. You're saying like to transform a problem into the network format. Yeah, and we covered the two problems. One is this equipment replacement problem, and the other is that general network flow, like this one, right? The generalized network flow problem, this one. Yeah, so you will get one homework. So for the equipment replacement problem, you will get one homework this week, and that one is more complex than the one we talk about in the class, because the way that the equipment can be replaced is a little different. It started with the old equipment, okay, and so an old equipment can be replaced right away. It's not like in this example, it's a new equipment, so you replace after 1 year or 2 years. But in the homework problem, I'll give you some hints here. You can replace it right away. If you replace it right away, then it's a new equipment. Then you can then follow that trading pattern to go. But if you don't replace it, then it's an old equipment. And when you trade in, then you need to consider, okay, this equipment is already a 2-year-old equipment. So what's the trading value? What's the operating value? Operating cost. Okay, so that's a hint to give you. So let's see. And what about chapter 4? After this case study, do you guys think you have a good grasp? Pretty good, right?
That spreadsheet, the summary spreadsheet that you provided.
Okay.
Made
It's
it a lot
clear.
easier than
Okay. But you won't be able to use it in the test. Just remember, you have that and try to use that to help you organize your information, right?
Once you're able to grasp the idea,
Okay.
it becomes easy to.
Okay.
It's a few things to memorize. Really.
Right. Exactly.
The
Okay.
grasp in the beginning was hard. For me, I didn't really
Uh-huh.
have that in homework. But now I'm comfortable in doing any kind
Okay.
of sensitivity analysis.
Okay. The midterm is scheduled the week after the spring break, but because we kind of like postponed the things for 1 week, I'll postpone that the week after that, and I'll give you some practice problems in the similar format of the test. Okay, so you know what to expect, and also I'll give you more like optional exercises. Let's see. Today we covered chapter 7, and chapter 7 is the basic modeling is similar to chapter 3, except we're adding things. For chapter 5, we'll do this one homework assignment this week, and I'll give you more to practice. I think the equipment replacement problem is most difficult one in this entire chapter. I don't know. I emphasize the importance of it. I told students that it's in the homework and it's going to be in the test, but still students having difficult time. So maybe you need to spend a little more time on that and on the one that's coming in the homework to make sure you understand it. Okay, make sure you understand what the node represent and what are the arcs represent. Okay. Okay. So let's go to start chapter 7, and yes. Right. So the schedule will be moved. All the schedule will move like 1 week later. Okay. Oh, here.
The midterm will include chapter 7?
Uh,
Or it's
only to 5, 1 through 5. Yeah. Okay.